How to add a WhatsApp button on Facebook page. First, open your Facebook app. At the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. You need to switch your profile to your page. Tap on page icon. Tap on the page icon again. Then tap on your page name here. Now tap on three dots. From here, tap on edit action button. Tap on edit buttons. You cannot choose three options at a time. I need to unmark one option. Then select send WhatsApp message. Facebook will give you option to add your WhatsApp number. Tap on it. Select country code and write your number. Then tap on send code. Facebook will send you a 5-digit verification code. Type this code in this box. Now tap on verify code. WhatsApp button is added on your page, and that's it. This is how you can add a WhatsApp button to Facebook page.